So let's talk about narcissism. You have probably watched my previous video on narcissism. In this video, we are going to dive deeper into the world of narcissism, specifically focusing on secret narcissism, a unique subset of narcissistic traits that can be difficult to identify. When we think of narcissism, we often imagine someone who is arrogant, self absorbed, and lacks empathy. And while that is not entirely wrong, it's also a huge misconception. The reality is, narcissism is a complex personality disorder that can manifest in many different ways. It is not just about being self absorbed, it's about a deep seated need for validation and attention that can lead to manipulative behavior. The problem is, many people struggle to recognize narcissistic traits in themselves or others because they can be so subtle. Another common misconception is that narcissists are always loud and attention seeking, but that is not always the case. In fact, many narcissists are introverted and prefer to operate behind the scenes, pulling the strings from afar. And then there is the idea that narcissists are always confident and self assured, but in reality, many narcissists are plagued by self doubt and insecurity. The challenges of identifying narcissistic behavior are further complicated by the fact that many of us exhibit some narcissistic traits from time to time. It's normal to want to be admired and respected, and it's okay to take pride in our accomplishments. So, why do we draw the line between healthy self confidence and narcissistic tendencies? Let's get into the specifics of secret narcissism. This type of narcissism is characterized by a deep need for secrecy and exclusivity. Secret narcissists often create elaborate, intricate networks of relationships with each person serving a specific purpose. They may have multiple romantic partners, for example, each one fulfilling a different emotional need, or they may have a network of yes men who are willing to validate their opinions and ideas. Secret narcissists are monsters of manipulation, using their charm and charisma to get what they want. They may create elaborate stories or lies to justify their behavior, or they are often expert level gaslighters. But despite their Machiavellian tactics, secret narcissists are often incredibly intelligent, charismatic, or persuasive. They can be incredibly alluring, which is a part of what makes them so dangerous. One of the most insidious aspects of secret narcissism is the way they use intimacy as a tool for control. They may be extremely charismatic and attentive in the early stages of a relationship, only to pull away and become distant once they have got their partner hooked. This can be incredibly damaging, leaving their partners feeling confused, anxious, and uncertain. So, how do secret narcissists differ from other personality types? For one, they are often more covert in their behavior, preferring to operate in the shadows rather than seeking the spotlight. They are also more calculating, using their intelligence and charisma to manipulate others. And unlike other narcissists, secret narcissists are often more interested in power and control than in admiration and adoration. In the end, self awareness is key to understand secret narcissism. By recognizing our own vulnerabilities and tendencies, we can begin to build more authentic relationships and avoid getting caught in the web of a secret narcissist. Remember, narcissism is a spectrum, and we all exhibit some degree of narcissistic behavior from time to time. The important thing is to be honest with ourselves and take responsibility for our actions. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have had any experiences with secret narcissism or just want to share your thoughts on the topic, leave a comment down below. And if you are curious about other personality types, be sure to check out my previous video on narcissism.